Close your eyes and imagine this. You're standing at the edge of your spaceship, about to take a leap of faith. But you're not falling back to Earth. You're about to freefall into every single planet in our solar system. There's no safety net, no turning back. Each world will greet you with a completely different kind of destruction. Some will burn you alive, some will crush you into dust, and some will never let you stop falling. Are you ready for the most dangerous freefall in the universe? Let's jump. Our first drop takes us to Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. At first it looks harmless, just a gray cratered ball of rock. But don't be fooled, Mercury has almost no atmosphere, which means there's no air to slow your fall. You'd plunge in absolute, deafening silence, accelerating at a terrifying rate. On the side, facing the Sun, the surface is a blistering 430 degrees Celsius. On the night side, it plummets to a cryogenic minus 180 degrees. By the time you hit the jagged ground, your body would be nothing more than a scorched shadow on a world of eternal extremes. Next stop, Venus. Often called Earth's evil twin, and for a good reason. From orbit, its golden clouds look beautiful, almost inviting. But as you fall, that beauty curdles into pure horror. You're not just falling through air. You're diving into a pressure cooker filled with poison. The atmosphere is 90 times denser than Earth's. It would feel like swimming through hot, thick soup. Sulfuric acid rains from the sky, dissolving anything it touches. The temperature, a uniform 475 degrees Celsius. Day and night hotter than a pizza oven, hotter even than Mercury's sun-baked surface. Before you ever touch the ground, the immense pressure would crush your body like a soda can. And if that didn't end you, the acid would finish the job. Falling here isn't a trip, it's a slow, brutal execution. And then Earth, our home. After the horrors of Mercury and Venus, this fall feels like a miracle. For the first and only time, you can deploy a parachute. The air is breathable. The temperatures are gentle. Below you, vast blue oceans and lush green forests spread out like a welcome mat. This is the rarest treasure in the entire solar system. Never forget how truly incredible this planet really is. It's the one place where a fall can end with a soft landing, not a silent scream. Time to jump into the red planet. Mars has long captured our imagination with its gentle sunsets and dusty red skies. From a distance, it looks almost inviting, but the reality is deadly. The atmosphere is thin, 100 times less dense than Earth's. It would slow you down slightly, but not nearly enough to save you from a high-speed impact. The average temperature is a bone-chilling minus 60 degrees Celsius. The air is almost entirely carbon dioxide. You'd suffocate long before you hit the ground. And if you somehow survive the impact, the fine, toxic dust, like microscopic shards of glass, could shred your lungs from the inside out. Mars may look like a second home, but it's a frozen, silent coffin waiting for you. Now, prepare for the undisputed king of the planets. Jupiter. This gas giant is a completely different kind of challenge. Why? Because there's no solid surface to hit. Jump in, and you'll plunge through endless layers of swirling ammonia clouds and violent hydrogen storms. Jupiter's immense gravity pulls you faster, and faster, until you're dropping at hundreds of kilometers per hour. The pressure rises to unimaginable levels, enough to crush a military submarine into a ball of metal. Lightning bolts, larger than entire continents, flash around you in the dark. You'd fall for hours, maybe days, descending deeper into the planet's hot, dense core until the pressure and heat finally become so extreme they rip every single molecule of your body apart. On Jupiter, you don't just fall. You simply disappear. Next, we arrive at the jewel of the solar system, Saturn. Its iconic rings shimmer like cosmic jewelry, a breathtaking sight, but falling through them would be a death sentence. Imagine hurtling through a blizzard of icy fragments and chunks of rock, all speeding past you at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. One impact, and you'd be shredded into stardust before you even reached the planet itself. If you somehow survived the rings, you'd face a Jupiter-like descent into endless clouds of hydrogen and helium. The deeper you fall, the more the pressure grows, squeezing you into oblivion. Saturn is a beautiful trap, a celestial masterpiece with a deadly heart. Our journey continues to the sideways planet Uranus. Its calm, turquoise blue color hides a bizarre and violent interior. As you fall, you'd float downward through freezing layers of hydrogen, helium, and methane ice. Gravity here is weaker than on Earth, so the fall would feel slower, almost sitting. But don't celebrate just yet. The deeper you go, the pressure spikes dramatically. Scientists suspect that deep inside Uranus, there's a bizarre ocean of superpressurized, superhot liquid water and ammonia, where it rains solid diamonds. If you reached this strange, dark ocean, you'd be crushed and boiled simultaneously before you even realized what was happening. Finally, we reach Neptune, the farthest and stormiest planet. From space, it's a beautiful deep blue, but this calm appearance is a lie. Neptune is home to the fastest winds in the solar system, screaming at over 2,000 kilometers per hour faster than the speed of sound. As you fall, these hypersonic winds would tear you apart, molecule by molecule. Deeper inside, the temperature plunges to minus 214 degrees Celsius, and colossal storms the size of Earth circle endlessly in the dark. You would never reach the core. You'd simply be flayed by the wind and vanish into the freezing, chaotic abyss. And what about lonely Pluto? Our favorite dwarf planet offers a very different experience. Here, gravity is incredibly weak. You drift down as gently as a feather. There's no crushing pressure or violent storms. But the cold, the unbelievable cold of minus 229 degrees Celsius would freeze you solid within minutes. A gentle landing into a block of eternal ice. Every planet in our solar system offers a unique and certain death. Some may burn you, some crush you, some shred you, and some swallow you whole. And yet, here we are, living on the one single place in this vast cosmic neighborhood where a fall doesn't mean the end. It makes you think. Before we spend all our time dreaming of escaping to other worlds, maybe we should focus on protecting the one miraculous world that lets us survive the drop. So, which planet's fall terrified you the most? Would you take the jump? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like this video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more adventures. Thank you for watching, and keep looking up.